Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you watching this video is because you want to learn how to make money online from the comfort of your home. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly from home. Even as a beginner, you can make this money. Yes, because with my video and my guide, even as a beginner that you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you start earning big money by just following the steps I'm going to be showing you. So as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling products for your company and getting a commission for each product you get. So the higher the number of the product you sold, or the higher the price of the product, can determine your daily income also. But there's a important thing you need to consider if you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, and that is how you get your traffic to your affiliate site or affiliate product for them to be purchased. So in this video, I'll be showing you my traffic system. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and I've developed several softwares over the year, and I came up with this software that I've been using for a while now, and that's been giving me excellent results. Yes, my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffics online daily and promoting your affiliate product or link to these organic traffics for you to get commission. Yes, and with my software, you're going to be having access to daily sales like the one you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course. Yes, you'll be checking my videos, so you know I do display the account of my students that I train, and they're already earning. How many students are around the world, and many people are still rolling in for the software and making money from home. Yeah, so to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com. Yes, to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on my Gmail or text me on my Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Yes, text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, that's the beauty of my software, because it works for any affiliate marketing platform, not only ClickBank. You can use it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify store, any affiliate marketing platform that you need to promote for you to get people to access or to purchase, and it works on targeted traffics. Yes, you will set I will show you my video course here. My video course have recorded the step-by-step method, even from signing up on ClickBank, because there are some countries that have restriction. I will teach you how to sign up without being restricted. Yes, so in my video course there are many things embedded also, not only the software guide. There are techniques which you need to know, the important information, how to get targeted traffic, how to know your audience, how to know people who are promoting to, so that I can get commission. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text on Telegram this number I can see on the screen now to get my software video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.